Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use DALL-E on Canva. DALL-E is a AI tool that generates images. You probably heard of it. So I didn't actually knew that this was on Canva, and that's great. It's super cool and super useful. So first we are here on a design, and we are going to go to this left bar right here and go to apps. Here you can see there is many AI related applications you can use. Right now, for this video alone, we are going to focus on DALL-E. Later I might show you a couple more, but right now DALL-E. So there you go. You type down whatever you want. I don't know, a blue apple with a worm on it. Let's see how it handles this request. So this is pretty cool, guys. Like, I didn't knew this was on Canva. I was looking, I was just fooling around on a project, and I just uh, went into applications and just found out this. Whoa, that's very realistic and very unpleasant image. So I guess that works. Like, that's an apple and it's blue and it has a worm on it. That's fucking horrible. But great. I mean, that's great. This looks less gross. So that is pretty cool. So let's try one more. So um uh a dog flying. Let's see. Let's see what it gives us. Going to delete this one. It's actually pretty cool. Well, I mean, it's not like totally flying, but he's taking off. Oh, it's taking off. He's more like jumping, but you don't know, he might be flying. What about a dog flying with wings? Let's see if it can do that. I'm sorry, I'm just at this point I'm just playing around, but you can use it. So, um, but I just want to see. There you go. That's a fucking flying duck. It has a little bit of a problem on his face, but it's flying. That's a very realistic flying duck. It might not have all of its legs, but still, that's a flying duck. This is some caricature of a flying duck, which is might be less disturbing. It has four legs, so that's okay. It has this, which I don't know what it is, but okay. So there you go. You can use DALL-E on Canva. Hope you guys like the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time.